In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, and today I would like to show you how you can activate keyboard's Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard icon at the top of it. Then use this sweater at the top right corner to activate it, and this arrow at the top left one to go back to standard keyboard. Now to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text and paste it right away by clicking on it at the top of your keyboard. You can also paste it by clicking on Clipboard and tapping on it here. If you want to pin one of your added sentences, use this pen at the top right corner, pin the chosen one and click on this pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To delete one of your sentences, use the same pen, click on the sentence and this time choose Delete button next to the pin one. Lastly, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same sweater as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!